I want to show you how to adjust the tension on the Hofner snap folder. For instance, this one is a little stiff, a little tight, see? And I want it to deploy smartly, quickly, easily on my snap. So I'm gonna loosen the tension slightly with this T10 Torx. And this is the tension screw right here on the Hofner knife. So I like to tighten it and then back off about 5 minutes on a 12-hour clock. All right, now I get a really nice snap and it's not too loose. What's too loose? So let me loosen this thing up. Like if I had snapped this thing practicing several hundred times, it might get too loose from all those hundreds of snaps. So if I was to jiggle the blade, I can feel some lateral side movement on the blade. We don't want that. Another way to tell is if it's on when you're closing, if it hits the liner, the blade hits the liner. That's too loose. It's too sloppy, and it could cause the lock to fail. So we like to keep it loose enough, but not too loose. So again, I'm going to tighten it all the way down and then back it off just about 5 minutes. It feels good. It snaps good. It is good. So that's how we adjust the blade tension on the Hofner snap folder with a T10 Torx. Keep your knife tensioned properly.